Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel titled Money Matters by BG Financials. We want to thank you for stopping in, for dropping in to learn about these very important deductions that you can take. There are 9 very important tax deductions that you are allowed to take by the IRS if you are eligible for them, and by doing so you'll be able to save lots and lots and lots of money. At the end of the day, you want to legally keep as much money in your pocket as you want to, as you're able to, and not have to give it away. And you can use that money for other purpose, investing, doing other things with it instead of giving it away. So let's go ahead and learn about these 9 deductions that you can take in your tax return. Before we get started, don't forget to please watch the whole video. Leave a comment. We will be sure to answer each and every single comment. If there are any topics that you want us to cover that we are not covering, please go ahead and click in the leave comment section and tell us what it is that you want us to cover. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can be alerted of every single video that we have coming out. All right, let's go ahead and get started on tax deductions. What exactly is that? Well, when you are making deductions from your tax, it means that you get more money back on your refund, okay? And if you are someone who at times you owe money or you run a business, it means that you can lower your payments that you owe to the IRS. Now, if that's not great news, I don't know what is. Again, there are plenty of things we can be doing with our money than giving it away. So legally, there are deductions that you can take to keep more money in your pocket. So now, these types of deductions that you can take really depends on your situation. It may not be for everyone. So let's pay attention and let's get started. Okay, so for those of you who are homeowners, great news for you. There are plenty of deductions that you are eligible for. Perhaps you didn't know about them, but you are eligible for tons and tons and lots of deductions. That's going to keep more money in your pocket, in your family's pocket, and so forth. So things that the government wants you to do, behaviors they want you to do, give you a lot of opportunities to save money towards the end. Meaning that when you purchase a house as a homeowner, you pay taxes on those homes. So because of that, the government wants to reward you by allowing you to take legal deductions. Let's go ahead and talk about them. Now, some forms that you will need, and yearly you will be receiving your form 1098, which is an interest statement. Okay, those you'll be able to utilize in your return to help reduce your liabilities. Your real estate tax record, the insurance that you pay in your home. Okay, if you go and you renovate, especially those of you who own properties as rental properties, major improvement that you make, those will benefit you in lowering your tax liabilities. Okay, if you have solar panels, solar water heater, anything energy efficient, some states are giving big rewards for those homeowners who go and are doing things that will make their homes eco-friendly, environmentally friendly. So go ahead and keep the receipts. Go ahead and keep track of all these expenses because you will need them so that you can take proper deductions. Any all 1098 series form, be sure to have them with you so that you can take the proper credit. Next, great news for those who like to donate. If you are someone who loves to donate or love to give your time, money, effort to charities, any charities that's non-for-profit organization, you can use those donations to help lower your tax liabilities. Any cash money that you donate to your church. A lot of the churches are giving you receipts on a yearly basis. If your church that you participate in does not do that, go ahead and keep all your records. Keep your records, write them down somewhere, keep track. It's very important to be organized. Be organized or it will cost you. Again, let me repeat. Be organized or it will cost you, okay? Keep track of all the expenses, schools that you may donate to, other charitable organization, your favorite charity organization that you are donating to. Go ahead and be sure to keep track of those. And if you are giving non-cash charitable donation, things like if you give your car to NPR, for example, that's considered non-cash donation. Guess what, folks? Guess what? You can use that to reduce your tax liability and get some really nice tax deductions from doing that. Okay, so if you drive very far, if you travel, whatever you do to support a nonprofit organization, okay, be sure to keep record of those. So what a great way to get back while you give, while you support your community, you're giving to the community and you're getting back. What a great way to do that. So be sure, folks, to keep your receipts, keep track of your expenses when it comes to charitable donations. Now, when it comes to medical expenses, okay, again, very important to keep track of expenses. When you go to the doctor, your copay, if you go to the dentist, if you go to the eye doctor, if you have a family of 5 and everybody got their eyes checked and needed glasses, if you go to any any specialist for any health reasons, if you go to the hospital, to the emergency room, you had to pay that emergency pay. Be sure to keep track of that. Okay, be sure to keep track of that. Those, great news, folks, those are tax deductible. Now, your 1095A form, you should be receiving it in the mail. You get that. That has to do with your health insurance. You should get that in the mail each and every single year, either from your employer. If you sign up through an agent, okay, if you sign up through an agent, that agent should be able to help guide you get that. You can call them, they can help guide you get that if you didn't get your 1095A form, or you can go ahead and go on the marketplace online, the health insurance marketplace online. You can go ahead and create an account if you never did. Create an account, or if you did create an account, you can go log in there and then download that form that you'll be able to use as part of your tax deductions. All right, good things for those of you who are responsible for kids and children. Child care expenses are very much tax deductible, okay? So fees that you pay to a licensed daycare or family daycare or care for an infant preschooler, amounts that you pay to a babysitter while you go to work for your child who's 13 and under, expenses that you pay through dependent care, through your flexible spending account. All those folks are good news for you because they can help you either make more money or keep more money in your pockets. All right, educational expenses. Educational expenses, folks. Great way to help you lower your have your tax deductions. Okay, so yearly from any institution that you participate in, you'll be receiving the 1098-T form, the 1098-T form. Okay, be sure to keep record and track of any scholarship or fellowship that you receive. If you purchase a laptop, a book, anything that you purchased to help support you with your education that you are acquiring, be sure to keep track of that, folks. Very, very, very important. Again, record keeping is the key. You don't keep proper record, you will lose a whole lot of money. Now, 1098-E, if you have been paying those student loan interests, okay, the interest on your student loan can help lower, okay, your taxes legally. So be sure to keep track of all those educational expenses. Great news for our teachers. Teachers. Please be sure to keep receipt of classroom expenses, okay? And not just K through 12 educators. If you are a nurse, if you are an attorney running your own business, those are deeper topics that we will touch base later on. But for now, I just wanted to bring it to our teachers' attention that yes, please keep track of all the expenses that you make for those wonderful students. It's going to help save you money in the long run when it comes to doing your taxes. All right. Retirement and other savings, okay? So you should be getting the 5498 SA form, the 5498 showing your IRA contributions. All these that you'll be receiving from the agency, you need to go ahead and save because it will help keep more money in your pockets. If you lived in a federally declared disaster zone, okay, and you own a property in the city or the county, be sure to keep the record of your losses, the cleanup that you had to do, painting you had to do, debris that you had to get removed, rebuilding, repair costs, okay, insurance reimbursement, how much did the insurance reimburse you versus how much did you have to pay, any payments, any assistance that you may have received from FEMA. Be sure to keep receipts of those. That is it, folks, on your tax deductions. Again, thank you for visiting our channels, Money Matter by BG Financials. Check out our website if you have a chance, www.bgfinancials.com. And we cannot wait to see you in the next video. Give us a thumbs up, everyone. Share and subscribe. We will see you next time.